Did you see that? Yep, this is what we're getting. Yep, there's thunder and lightning and rain. So you know what that means? That's right. We are in a thunderstorm. This is another time that I film a thunderstorm on this handy cam. I'm gonna go turn on this light. Ooh, just saw that one. Did you see that one, guys? Listen to that thunder. It's shaking the house. Yep, here we go again. 2024 has been a crazy year because of this weather. Yeah, the weather is really crazy. Lightning is really flashing. Yep, here we go again. I've been through this many times this year. Ooh, yeah, the lightning is so bright. Yep, here we go again. Another thunderstorm. This is a bad one. It is bad out there. It is very, very bad out there. I was sleeping, and all of a sudden I heard thunder. I just knew what it was, and it was a thunderstorm. Yeah, we are in a severe thunderstorm warning. Yep, it is really scary. It is. It's about 1:50 in the morning. Yep, this is overnight. This severe. This overnight. Whoa. This overnight severe thunderstorm on July 5th, 2024. This is crazy. Listen to that thunder. Yep, I just got woken up from this. Because you know how much storms suck. They really do. Because of these flashes and these rumbles and booms and winds and rains. Yep, here we go again. Yet last night it wasn't too bad. It was just fireworks. But now it's becoming a severe thunderstorm. It is terrible out there. You can see all the lightning strikes. This is very dangerous, so don't try this at home. Wow, that was kind of bright. Wow, lightning is really flashing. Yep, lightning is shooting out of the cloud. I don't know if you can hear the thunder because it's not rumbling loud enough. Yep, it's just. Whoa. Yep, there's a lot of lightning out there, and the thunder is starting to get loud now. Listen to that. This is very scary weather. I don't know if I can get any sleep. Yep, this weather is bad. Like, very bad. Yeah, it is very bad out there. You can see a lot of lightning strikes. Yep, I came out here to check, and it's been doing this lightning thing. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is scary. Yep. This is what we're getting. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is very, very scary. Yep, I was sleeping, and all of a sudden I heard a thunder rumble. And when I got out here, I saw flashing out there, so that means we're in a thunderstorm. Yep. Here we go again. Whoa, that was bright. My camera picked it up. Yep, camera's catching some lightning strikes. Hold on, I have to use the restroom. The camera's gonna record the flashes. Alright, I'm back now. Whoa! Lightning is flashing. And the camera is picking it up. Yeah, this weather is pretty crazy. Yeah, I'm really gonna stay inside. 'Cause it's dangerous. Like, very dangerous outside. Wow, there's a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot of lightning out there. And there's a lot of thunder, too. This is very scary. Whoa. Alright, that'll be it.